Good morning, everyone. Today on Cooking with Sarah, I'm going to take my daughter's lunch and I'm going to give it a little Halloween lift. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my apple, peanut butter, and marshmallows and turn that into a smile. I've got an eyeball here. This is the cheese and the green olive, and a couple carrots with some spider rings. And I'm going to try to turn this tomato into a vampire mouth. Okay, I think I did it. So we've got the vampire fangs, we've got some crispy fingers, and the monster eyes, the little spiders, some carrot fingers, and a monster mouth. Well, I hope she's surprised when she gets it. And of course, I can't forget the little pumpkin orange for our fruit snack. Okay, y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.